So today we got a 2025 Honda CRV, and we're going to go ahead and reset the maintenance light. So the maintenance light on this thing usually comes on after you start driving a little bit. I believe it's the A16, which is basically an oil change, tire rotation, and I think it's rear differential something. So there we go. It has the maintenance light. It just popped on for a second. So let's go ahead and see if we can go ahead and reset it. There it is right there. Kind of flashes. So let's see if we can go ahead and reset this. Okay, so once we go ahead and see this, we're gonna go over to our display over here. Now in some vehicles you do operate off of here. On this 2025 hybrid model, I believe you reset it through the actual screen. So let's go back here. Let's get to this screen here, and then we're gonna go ahead and tap, go into vehicle settings, and then we're gonna tap over here, and we're gonna go into maintenance info. So now here it's showing that the oil life is 15%. That's the A6, which basically means engine oil, tire rotation, and then all-wheel oil drive. I read something on rear differential needing to be replaced, but the engine oil for sure we replaced. Tire rotation, I'm gonna reset them all. I'm not gonna do anything with the rear differential right now, so I don't want that light to be on, but I know we're gonna take care of that. So we're gonna go ahead and select the items. So we're gonna go ahead and select all due items. It's asking us to reset it. As we wait, we look over here. If you look over here, it disappeared. So now it's all good. Let's go back to the home screen. And now let's shut off the vehicle real quick. Let's turn it back on. Now I know this probably works for all the newer CRVs. I don't know if they're the same. I know some of the older CRVs, you're able to do them through here, but most of the newer ones now, you do them on the actual radio screen here. So that's, if you're going to replace that radio, you might have some issues unless you get one that's integrated and it does all that as well, because this has a lot of different functions on here. So, we go back to here. Let's go and check this again. And it's saying that the oil life is 100%, so we're good. Normal. So there's no more codes. Let's get out of here. Go back to the home screen. Let's go to radio. Okay. And then we're back to here. Pretty simple. Not very difficult at all. So if you have any questions, hit me up. Again, it's a 2025 Honda CRV Hybrid. And this resetting the maintenance light code A16. Thanks for watching.